Bring these arms down by your side, please. All right, so we're gonna start by adjusting right in the mid back first, okay?
Okay.
So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Come down with it, give it a little push. Take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. All the way out. Very good. Okay, just relax for me. I'm going to rotate you over. Same thing here, okay? Okay, nice deep breath in. All the way out. All the way out. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Oh. Just relax it for me.
Okay.
You got a lot of stiffness in there, huh? Get you in a position, okay? So I want you to bend this head towards the left as best as you can. There you go. I want you to drop this shoulder here. There you go. Just gonna cut it up. Just relax it for me. Just relax it for me. Drop the head to the left. Very good. It's the same thing here, just relax it. Drop that shoulder for me. Just relax it for me, please. Go ahead and drop the head to the right.